Ma'am, good day. The files you requested for.
Thank you. But these are not the only files I asked you to bring for me.
I don't understand you, ma'am. I thought these were the files you requested for.
Sweetheart, come on. What don't you understand?
Ma'am, this is not appropriate.
Why?
This is totally wrong. I mean, we shouldn't be doing this in the...
This is my office. This is my company. I own this place. So I can do whatsoever I deem fit. Okay? Sorry.
What just happened? I asked a question. What really happened? I guess you understand the meaning of this. General Manager.
You're back so early. What's wrong? Baby, say something. What's wrong? You're getting me worried. Can you just say something?
I've just been sacked.
What? Why?
Okay, no problem. If that's what you want. So that's it, right? I have what it takes. You know too well. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bobby.
Sir.
Please, make sure you take care of this shop. Right. I'll be back soon.
All right, sir.
Babe, before you know it, I'll be back soon. Huh?
Okay, I'll be going out to see a friend.
Well, let them be aware that you are going out.
Okay, have a nice day.
And you too? You know what? Each time I look at you, I see the beautiful.
I'm eating my husband's money.
You're right.
Yes, have a nice day.
Let me quickly rush. See you.
Baby, I mean, you just ignored me in the sitting room like that. I was asking you a question. Baby, tell me something. Why were you sacked? Say something. I should know.
Am I supposed to do something before I get sacked? Are you thinking I did something wrong?
No, I didn't say that, baby. At least that.
Well, I just got to the office today and I found a letter on my table. And boom! My sack letter.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Ah, no, this is not fair. How can they just wake up one morning and fire an employee? Babe, this is not right now. What type of country is this? You shouldn't be sitting here. You should sue them or something. At least there should be a reason for their action. What's this?
Just get me food, I'm hungry.
But...
I said get me food.
Here.
What is wrong with you? What is your problem? Do you even understand that you're a virtuous woman? Do you understand your class? I don't even know what is wrong with you. Now let me make it very clear. You see that boy? You see that idiot? Sacking him in this office from this particular company is going to be the beginning of his suffering. I'm going to pick him up. Once I pick him up, let me demonstrate so you can understand what I'm saying. I will jail him for messing around with my wife. Nobody does that. He's going to suffer.
And while he suffers, I hope you do not mind I extend the same suffering to Sandra.
I don't understand the import of that statement. Who is Sandra?
Why is your voice changing? What happened? The same one you just left her house to this office now.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Of course, you can never understand. But with time, you will understand. You think I don't know? Or you think I will not find out? Is that it? Listen, it's enough that you've sacked him. Fair enough. But please, do not go close to that guy again. If you go close like an inch to him, or even threaten him, you will so hate my actions.
Yeah. Yes, I did. Thanks. I'm going somewhere. It's alright, I'm cool. Please, I need to clear my head. No, but no thanks.
Baby, your food is ready. Baby, 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 your food is ready. Baby. Baby! Hello, babe. Where are you?
I want to go see a friend. Yeah.
Babe, you forgot you asked me to serve your food.
Oh, my bad. Sorry about that. I'll eat when I come back.
Baby, I know. See, I'm with you in this. Till whenever I'm going to fight with you, we're going to do this together, okay? Don't fret. I got you.
It's alright. I just want to clear my head.
Take care of yourself. I love you.
I will. Thank you.
Babes, what's the problem? You've been moody since we got here and I've been trying to get your attention, but it's not working. What is it?
I got fired today.
What? Why?
I told you what my wife has been doing, right?
Are you trying to say she's connected to you being fired?
Well, I saw my wife and my employer some days back. I asked her what she was discussing with him, but she said nothing. Today, I went to the office and I was served a sack letter. What do you want me to think?
She is a monster. I mean, what are you still doing with that devil? Just leave her alone and come out. I told you this.
My family is indebted to her family. The only way to foot the bill is marriage. I'll have to be here till the rest of my life.
Babes, how did you get yourself into this mess?
I don't know. But this is a mess I'll be in forever.
It's okay. Not to worry. I got you. And I will do anything you want for you. Alright? Just cheer up. Okay? Anything. Just mention it and I'll do it.
Babe! Wake up!
Good morning.
Babe, good morning. Wake up, Joe. So you walked past me just like that? Without bringing me to the bedroom?
Sorry, I didn't want to disturb you. I thought you wanted to sleep there.
What did you just say? Really? I wanted to sleep on the couch. I was waiting for you all night. At least you should have woken me up and brought me here.
Sorry.
What happened to your phone?
My battery was low.
Babe, you should have at least...
Hey. Stop that. I don't like it when you raise your voice at me. Not after all I've been through.
That was an insensitive thing to say to me.
Really? No, really. After all I have been through, all I need right now is my understanding wife right next to me. And not this. Please, stop.
Chuka, out of all the places, you chose to knock your boss in our own office. Really? Huh? Now you fuck up big time, bro. What were you even thinking?
I told her that place was not living in, but she wouldn't listen, man. I told her that.
Okay, were your eyes closed when she was taking off your trouser?
She didn't take off my trousers, I didn't get to that, okay? She didn't get to that.
Okay, see now. You've lost your job. You are not jobless. What are your plans now?
My brother, I don't have plans to. I'll not kill myself. Nothing spoiled like she did. Telling you.
You don't have plans. Oh, that's why you were busy. Acting like you don't have plans at all. No plans. Because I know how flexible this your waist are. I know how to do your waist is. You're busy patching and no plans at all. I told you it is not a good idea dating your boss. I told you. But you won't listen. Now look at you. See what you've done to yourself.
I still there, bro. I'm still here, man.
I have always known that never to do well of a man you are married to will fail. A failure will always be a failure.
Victoria, I haven't called you here to insult my husband.
You're still calling that one a husband? I swear to God, if not that you're my elder sister, I would have slapped you out of this house. Numba, is that useless husband of yours I will slap out of this house? What does he even have in this house that belongs to him? Everything in this house, including the car, down to his boxers, were all bought by you.
Enough! Victoria, it's time for you to leave my house.
I should leave. Well, I don't blame you. But mom and dad allowed you to shelter and feed a full-grown, lazy man. Jobless man.
Victoria, please leave my house. I wouldn't want my husband coming and both of you will start having that drama. I don't want to. Just leave my house. It's time for you to leave.
Do you think I'm afraid of him?
Of course, I know you're not afraid of him. Mike Tyson. Please leave my house this minute, please.
I will leave. But better ask that useless husband of yours why he was sacked.
So where is he now?
He stepped out. He has not been himself.
I can understand.
I'm thinking of opening another business for him.
Again? Come on, Judy, have you forgotten what happened the last time? You opened a business for him. Babe, he squandered it all.
I'm sure he was naive then. He should know better now.
See, Judy, please, look for another job for him. You can still use your parents' connection to get a job for him, not business. Unless you want him to disappoint you the second time.
I'm not sure that one would want to work for another person after what happened to him.
Babe, you don't need to conclude. He might still want to work if another opportunity presents. Yes, think about it.
I don't want to work for anyone.
I thought as much. Business then. I'm willing to support you.
I don't know yet.
Baby, I need you to be happy. All I crave for is your happiness. So just tell me, what do you want? What do you need? Just say it.
I said I don't know yet. I want to sleep now. Good night.
I just filed for a divorce.
You did?
Yes, I did. Because I cannot stay with a man that cannot control himself. It is disgusting and disrespectful. So I'm taking a walk. Like, I'm so done.
Good.
Fine. I'm so sure once I'm done with all this divorce procedures and everything, we'll be together forever, right? You're not saying anything. Why?
Sure.
Why are you sounding off?
Baby, I just want to fuck.
You know I love the sound of that. And that's my man talking right there. That's mine. I love, let's go, come on, let's go get laid. Let's go, baby.
I'll grab it back.
Thank you.
Hey, you jobless fool! My sister told me you were laid off, and that serves you right. Look at you.
How dare you talk to me like that? Are you mad?
Oh, you shut the fuck up!
Wait, is something wrong with you?
Nothing is wrong with me. Leave my sister alone. Gold digger.
You're lucky you're a woman. I will have taught you a lesson you forgot.
Come and beat me now. Beat me. Beat me. Come and beat me because I'm a woman. Gold digger. Scum like you. Leave my sister alone. Come.
Oh, baby, you're right on time. Guess what, baby? Guess what? I just got off the phone with my dad and he has promised to look into getting you another job.
What? You told your dad about my joblessness? Really? Now let this be the first and last time you ever tell your family about my business. I do not want them in my business and will never want them.
Baby, calm down.
What asked me to calm down?
They are family, my family, and they care.
They care?
Yes.
Really? They care, and yet your sister accosted me on the road, insulted the hell out of me.
My sister insulted you again?
Well, she asked me to stay the hell away from you.
What?
And I'm doing that right now.
No. Baby. Hello? Hello, can't you hear me? Are you crazy or something? Baby. Oh. Baby. Baby, why?
Please, I'm not in the mood, okay? I'm not.
Baby, don't do this to me now. It's been 2 months. No kiss, no cuddle, not even sex.
Oh, that's because I'm frustrated and stressed at the same time.
But babe, I offered to help and you declined. Baby, take your calls.
It's no one important.
Okay. Baby, baby, the phone is ringing again. I mean, the person calling by this time, it should be important. Just take your calls.
I'm going to call the person back tomorrow, okay?
Okay, baby. Okay, baby, just give me head. Maybe I'll give you head.
I said I'm not interested. Can you please stop?
Baby, don't do this, please. I beg you. Baby, please.
Okay. I see what you're doing.
No, baby.
It's alright. I'm going to leave the room for you. Have the room to yourself, okay?
No.
I'll find peace on the couch.
Oh, baby.
Stop!
I'm sorry.
Stop!
I'm sorry. Okay, small. The car. Baby, don't do this, please. Baby, I want you.
Babes, you got me worried last night. I couldn't sleep. I called you several times, but you didn't pick up.
Well, that's because as at the time you were calling me, I was busy struggling for my life.
I don't understand.
She wanted to strangle me last night. She pressed the hell out of my neck.
And you allowed that?
What was I supposed to do? She came at me when I was asleep. She said I was bad luck to myself and to her. She called me all sort of names. She said so much last night.
This is so bad. You need to report to the police. It is no longer an assault, but now a threat to life. You can't be living with such kind of a terrible woman.
I just explained myself to you. Huh? I just did. My neck hurts right now. I just want to rest.
Oh my God. Let me take you to the hospital. You need to see a doctor
No,
ASAP.
don't want to go to the hospital. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I said I'm fine.
I just can't wait for you to get out of this mess.
Unfortunately, the only way out of this mess is death.
Whose death?
My wife's death, of course.
Good evening.
And what happened? I've been trying to reach you online. Your line was not connecting.
Oh, I went to fellowship.
Fellowship? Fellowship again? Have you forgotten that you have kids? For Christ's sake, those children are missing your absence in their lives.
If someone hears you talking now, they'll think you're talking about 5 or 6 children. It's just 2 kids and we have a nanny in this house.
Their nanny is not their mother.
So you are saying that I shouldn't attend fellowship or any other event because I have kids?
I am not saying that. But what I'm trying to say is that...
The thing is, I am exhausted. I need to go upstairs, take a shower, and go to sleep. Excuse me.
Are you for real? Did she just walk out on me?
Do you think he's cheating on me?
I don't know. You can't be sure.
Judy, I saw it. I saw the message on his phone. One Anna texted him saying, "Thanks for last night." Wait. I can't believe Shuka is cheating on me. Oh, it all makes sense now. Is this the reason he's not been sleeping with me lately?
Judy, you don't know if he's really cheating. It might be someone he gave a lift or a helping hand. Babe, you can't tell if he's really cheating. Please, just calm down.
Judy, I need you to help me do something. Can you investigate this for me? Anna is the name that popped up. Please, please, help me investigate this. Please.
It's okay. I can do anything for you. But babe, it might not be what you're thinking. But I'll do my research. Yes.
So this is it. This is it. Placing a divorce paper on the table for me just because of that idiot.
I'm sure you know that you are in a working environment. You should watch the tone of your voice.
Are you okay? Are you high? I built this place with my money. This is my conglomerate. It is my multinational. You cannot ask me. Are you okay?
My lawyers will be waiting for you.
Sometimes when you talk about lawyer, I laugh. Remember, I have sons. You're going to regret this. You're going to cry over this.
Please, leave my office or I call the police on you.
Please, are you okay? Are you high? You're going to call the police on me?
Get out.
I should get out? If you want to play this card this way, I'm going to give it to you. I will give it to you.
Who's Mother Lucy?
My former employer.
So why is she calling you after firing you?
I don't know.
Do you think she wants to re-employ you?
I don't want to work for anybody. I just want to be free with you and enjoy my life forever. Only if that monster will be taken off the way.
Your wife?
Yes. You know, my heart skips every time I remember I'll have to go home.
Then stay here with me.
In the hotel?
I can actually rent a place for us. I just want you to know that I can do anything for you. Alright? I love you so much.
My brother, I've never seen a church that holds fellowship every day of the week. Most churches hold fellowship 1 or 2 times a week. I don't know what she's doing.
My wife now follows sheep every day. In fact, I have told her that I have enough money to buy a ship so that I can get a captain that will be taking us to wherever she is going. But she refused. What do you want me to do?
You need to check very well if it is sheep that she is following or she's doing another thing.
I don't understand. Are you trying to tell me that my wife could be cheating on me?
Anyway, we are not quite sure. But we need to investigate and be very sure.
before we start accusing her. Because the moves that I'm seeing her make look suspicious.
I'm sorry, good day. I am the wife to your former employee, Choka.
Okay, so what can I do for you?
I'm sorry. So I was at the office, but I didn't see you. So bumping into you, I'm so sorry. It wasn't my intentions at all. I know this is not appropriate too. I just wanted to know the reason he was sacked.
Well, the company is facing some huge challenges right now, so we had to lay off some staffs so we can balance up the company, right?
So meaning he was not the only one sacked.
Yes. In fact, we'll have to lay off some other staffs soonest. Okay. I hope you understand that, right?
Yes, I do. I'm so sorry about that, okay? The Lord is your strength. Thank you.
Cletus! Yes, madam.
I just got into the house and my husband is nowhere to be found.
In comot.
But his car is still parked here.
He no carry him car comot. He say make him stroll small. Fine bobo. He say make him stroll small, make fresh air fit touch am for body.
Really?
Yes. Madam, you get any other thing you want make I do for you?
Wait. So you're telling me my wife approached you?
Yes. I was surprised when she introduced herself to me as your wife. She came to know why you were dismissed. And I'm sure you know what that means. She doesn't believe whatever thing you told her about your dismissal, the reason why you were dismissed. That is to say that she does not trust you.
Wait. You didn't tell me you were traveling. Where are you going to?
Don't touch me.
Okay, just tell me, what did I do?
What have you not done? No, what have you not done? So you went back to my former employer to ask why I was fired? Like, didn't I tell you why I was fired?
You did.
So you mean I've been lying to you?
Babe, I'm sorry. I only went there.
Listen, I understand. I get the point. It has always been like this. You've never trusted me for once. Huh? I'm just this poor guy that you got married to. Your family will always see me as a gold digger, which is what you think I am.
No, babe, can you stop? Stop! I only went to beg her to reconsider you. Maybe take you back since you didn't want to do the business.
Didn't I tell you I needed more time? Did I not tell you I needed more time?
You said it, but I thought you didn't. I thought you were not interested in the business anymore.
You know what? I'm sick and tired of this. I'm done. I'm leaving. I'm done.
No, babe. Please.
I'm sorry. Can you let me pass now?
If you leave me, I would die.
Why are you holding my back?
Baby, you're my life.
Oh, I get the point. You don't want me to go with the bag because I came into this house with nothing and maybe I'm leaving with nothing.
Don't do this to me.
I'm fine. I'll leave.
Chuka, listen to me, baby. Look at me.
Just leave my face alone.
I'm sorry. Please don't do this to me. I beg you. Then please, I'm sorry. Baby. Look at me, baby. I'm sorry. Please.
I found nothing on him. He's clean.
I almost lost him yesterday.
What?
He came back home so angry and wanted to leave. You know, my younger sister said I should go verify why he was sacked. I went to the office. I found no one. On my way out, I bumped into his boss. I asked her, she told me everything. I really don't know how he found out I went there.
Oh babe, you shouldn't have gone there yourself. Probably he still has some friends that report your presence to him. You should have allowed me to go there.
You say?
Yes.
See, my love, at this point, I'm done investigating him. You said it's clean. I'm done. Tracking it. Whatever it is you're doing, call it off because I'm no more interested in investigating him. I don't want to track him anymore. Please.
But what if you're close to finding out the truth?
Truth?
Yes.
Huh? Well, you said it's clean that you found nothing on him. So, what truth are you talking about? See, let's just leave him. I don't want to destroy my marriage by myself. You see that my husband, I love him so much. Let's leave it at that, please. And so, you, where's my perfume?
Perfume that is at home waiting for you. That you didn't even ask him. You didn't bother calling yourself.
What's that?
I thought you don't even need it.
Bobby!
Sir. Sir.
What have you been doing in this shop? Look at everywhere, dirty. Look at it. What is going on?
I'm sorry, sir. That's what I wanted to do. I have been busy at the warehouse.
I don't understand. Busy doing what?
I'm sorry, sir.
I told you some customers are coming to inspect this. And up till now you are still gallivanting around the compound.
Sir, in the next 20 minutes I will be done. I'm sorry.
Honey? Ready to go.
To where?
To fellowship, of course.
I am coming with you.
What?
I want to go with you.
I thought you were busy.
No problem. That one can wait till tomorrow. Let me just drive you. At least let me spend some time with God.
I don't understand what you're driving at.
I want to go with you. Is there anything wrong with that?
Wait a minute. Are you suspecting that I'm cheating on you? Chike, has it gotten to the point where you suspect that I'm cheating on you?
But I never said anything wrong.
You know what? This is my last day in this shop. Excuse me.
Queenette,
I will not come here again.
Wait!
I will come here again.
Because hey! Why not? Because Babe, I am sorry. I'm sorry for everything. Please pardon my bad.
I want to be left alone, please.
I am sorry. I never meant to suspect or distrust you. Please. I was worried that...
That what? That I was going out there to see another man? Is it?
I am sorry. I never meant to distrust you. Trust me. Please.
Chike, I want a divorce.
What? You don't mean it, or do you?
You heard me right.
What are we still doing in this marriage if you do not trust me? What are we doing? I want a divorce. And that's simple.
Babe, please. Forgive my manners. Just tell me whatever you want. Just name it. And I will do it. Tell me whatever you want. Please.
The only thing I want is a divorce. I am done with you.
You don't do that. You can't do that to me. You know you mean the whole world to me. Please, don't do this. Babe.
I didn't see you at our usual venue like we discussed. What happened?
Oh, that's because I was struggling for my life.
I don't understand.
She locked me up in the room and said I wasn't going anywhere.
Who?
The demon who calls herself my wife.
Why?
It's not the first time she's doing this. I was sleeping and all of a sudden she pounced on me, landed me several slaps, and then she locked the room and said I wasn't going anywhere.
She slapped you?
Yes. She did. She does it all the time.
Come on, I mean, you are the man of that house. You should own up yourself and not let some woman make you feel lesser. It doesn't make any kind of sense to me. It does not.
Oh, that's fairy tale to me. You see, I'm indebted to her and her family. And the only way out of this is her debts.
But you can divorce her, can't you?
I can't. Like I said, I'm indebted to her. The only way I'm getting out of this is if she's dead.
Okay, fine. How much do you owe this family?
So much I can't say.
Baby, you left without your car again. Why?
Is that really my car?
Baby, don't do this. Stop it now. Don't do this to me. Come on.
Listen, I'm really tired. I need to take a shower. Okay?
Baby, we need to talk.
Talk, I'm listening.
Baby, we've been through a lot. You have been through a lot of recent. So I was thinking maybe a vacation out of this country.
Well, unfortunately, I'm not in the mood to travel now.
Baby, see. You need to fix whatever it is that is broken inside of you. Ever since you were dismissed from that job. It will help us, our relationship. It will help us heal. It will help you, us. You know, baby, I miss you. I miss us. Please.
All right, maybe I'll think about this.
Really?
Yeah.
Baby, get back to me when you're done thinking.
Is that all? Because I'm really tired.
Okay, let me go run your shower. Let's go. Baby, I love you.
It feels so good to have finally found the place. You are so gorgeous. I can't resist my feelings. Oh, this is temptation. With a little confusion. Anytime I look, you are all I see. Anytime I think, you are stuck in my brain. Oh, I hope you're not faking it. Oh, I will give my all to you.
Honey?
Oh,
hurry up, let's go.
You is real. I hope this will last forever. I finally fall in love with you. I'm not letting you go. Yes, I know. We are meant to be together. I know. We are meant to be together. I show you love, you show me love.
What happened last night? I didn't see you as agreed. I tried calling you and you weren't picking.
My husband got me angry.
I hope that black ugly monkey didn't touch you.
No, he didn't.
You know, I think it's high time we left our marriages so we could be with each other. I love you so much. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
I love you too. I think I should get a divorce.
Yeah, you should, but that will be after I must have left my own marriage. But you have to help me.
Okay. How do I help?
I already told you. The only way out of this marriage, death.
You know, I've been thinking about it. I think it's high time we took her out of the way. Maybe we should hire government to do the job for us.
Well, that's a good idea, but at the end of the day, it will be traced back to me. If anything as such happens, I will be the prime suspect. I think we should employ a smarter way to do it.
How do we do it?
James, my wife is cheating on me, no doubt.
My brother, what if the test could have come from a brother in the church or the pastor? You know she was supposed to go for a fellowship yesterday.
James, did you read the content of that text? The person said, I didn't see you yesterday. Get back to me. Do you know what that means?
It could mean a lot of things, aside from what you are thinking.
Why are you defending my wife?
My brother, but you are the one that asked me to go after her, to check her.
And why are you sounding so differently all of a sudden? Is there anything I need to know? I am so disappointed at you, James.
My brother, nothing is going on. Nothing at all. I am just being careful here so that we don't accuse someone wrongly. What if you found out that the test came from a brother in the church, or even the pastor, or even her relatives? Calm down, my brother, so that you don't get high BP. If you die now, look at all these things. These are one of your investments, aside from other ones. If you die, she might bring in another person to enjoy it. That's my candid advice.
Women are not to be trusted.
It's our anniversary. I know you forgot about it. It's fine. I know you've been going through a lot of late. Just that. Today is a very special day and shouldn't be forgotten. It should be celebrated. Dinner?
Of course, I was actually thinking of that. Dinner will fix things.
Oh, thank you, baby. Come here. So, let me go put on something better.
I love you. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Come here.
So, let me go put on something.
And let's get together.
Okay.
How are you, darling? You never showed up as you promised.
I was very, very busy.
I understand. Anyway, I got a surprise for you.
What is it?
I spoke with one of my associates in overseas. I asked him to send me some fleet of cars, which he sent us 3. So make your choice. Which of them?
What for?
For you, of course.
But my car is still very okay. I mean, I'm still enjoying my car.
I know. But I'm your husband. It's my duty to do whatever you want. And I am trying my best to do exactly as I said. I never made a mistake of making choice for you. Have I? Good. So check these 3 cars. I know one of them will be yours. Yes. I know this color is your color. You like it? Just check. This one, I love this one so much. It matches your color, you know that. So, let me order for this then, if you don't mind. For your permission.
Baby, I'm waiting.
I'll be with you shortly, baby.
Okay. What's that? Hold on. What are you doing here?
Sis, calm down.
Calm down for what? Should I get a restraining order or something? I mean, it's getting out of hand. What are you doing here?
Calm down, sis. If not because of blood, I wouldn't be here.
I'm calm. Why are you here?
I have something to show you. Look at this.
And what has it got to do with me or anything around me? I want to understand.
Well, same question I asked her the moment she presented those pictures to me.
Baby.
Well, she showed me the pictures too. But then she threatened to show them to you if I do not leave this marriage. I presume she suspects him cheating on you.
What? I'm not just suspecting. You are cheating and the pictures proves it all.
The only thing those pictures prove is your stupidity.
I won't have you insult me.
Will you shut your mouth? Now you get your filthy self out of my house this minute.
You slapped
And
me.
I will do it again if you don't. Get out. Get out! Baby, I'm sorry. She's stupid. I didn't ask her to come. I don't know why she's here. I'm sorry.
I met with my ex-employee.
Oh.
Yeah, we spoke at length and she was talking me into coming back to work for a company and also exploring other opportunities.
You didn't tell me.
I was going to tell you. The other picture, on the other hand, was my former classmate. She came into town and we met to spoke about life generally. That was it.
It's fine, babe. You don't need to explain anything to me. I trust you with my life. Baby, I love you. Don't let this ruin everything, okay? How?
You know, the only reason I've been condoning her excesses is because she is your sister.
I know.
The next time she comes here will be my last time in this house.
What? Baby, no, baby, I'm sorry. Baby, please, listen.
Nkem, I promise to do whatever you want for you. If it means buying the whole world for you, I will do that in order for you to know that I care so much about you and I love you. All I need is your loyalty and trust. I promise to forever make you happy all the days of your life. For God's not just blessed me with money, but with a beautiful wife with a heart of gold. Please. Are you okay? I thought you had forgiven me.
I'm just very tired. I need to go upstairs, freshen up and sleep.
So tired? That you need to go up and sleep? I thought we agreed to do something tonight.
Yes. Can we do it tomorrow, please? I'm tired. Let me go freshen up and sleep.
Can you imagine? She slapped me in his presence and threw me out of her house. Someone I was trying to save from a cheating husband.
Well, I'm sorry about that, my love. But I think at this point, you just need to forget about her. Yes, can't you see she doesn't need your saving?
My sister is living with a fraud. And I need to save her.
Yes, I know. I understand you. But can't you see she doesn't need your saving? All you need to do now is to focus on yourself and forget about her. Please.
I won't allow him. I won't allow him succeed.
Baby, can you just calm down? It's obvious she doesn't need your save. She doesn't need your help. Relax, okay? Relax, come on. Just forget about her.
Chooks, come on.
Yes, girl. See, I'm sorry. You know I can't be hanging out now. This marriage of a thing, yeah. No, not like I can't go out. I can, but not at night. I'm talking about that one. Girl, I am now 121 million naira richer. You can say that again. Yeah, I shouldn't be dining with you now. I should be dining with Dangote or... All thanks to my parents. Ever supportive. I just love them. Oh yeah, I'm happy for myself too. What's that one? Okay, just send your account. I'll send you a little 1 million. Say thank you. What's that? Girl, you want... let me talk to you later, okay? My husband is here. Yeah. Baby.
Cletus. Cletus! Come here. Open the gate.
Damo! See as man fine. If you see people wey God create for Sunday, you will know.
Hey, snitch. Snitch.
What did you just call me?
I just called you a snitch. Yeah? How'd you feel? After telling your sister about whatsoever you saw, yeah? What were you thinking? She's going to throw me out of her house? Well, look at me. I'm there, and you're not. You're here standing under the sun.
You will not insult me again.
My dear, I'll insult you. There's nothing you can do about that.
Look at you.
There's nothing you can do about it.
Shameless man.
What else?
You're an asshole.
What else? Are you done?
Just get out from here. Look at you. Rubbish.
Listen, I will always be a winner. Alright?
You are a loser.
Your sister is a pawn in this game. Don't worry.
You thought you fooled my sister. You are a loser. Get out! Look at him. I hate this man.
Chuka, you got me so worried. Why not taking your calls?
Oh, that's because I was with the doctor.
Why? What happened?
My wife's sister. She showed her a picture of us together and then she hit me a pistol in my head.
My goodness, are you okay? You mean your wife did that to you?
I told her she's a monster. Yeah, she is. She's a terrible monster.
Jesus, listen, Chico, at this point, you are supposed to leave that house. Like, you should leave the house.
Of course you know I can't leave. And do you know why?
Okay, then why did you fight back?
Same reason why I can't leave. I need someone to save me from that monster. I need someone to save me from her before she kills me.
I am ready to help you. How do we get rid of her?
She's usually at home during the weekend and sometimes during the weekdays.
You have to be sure the exact time she'll be at home so I can come in there and together we'll sniff life out of her.
I'm so sorry I'm doing this. I'm so sorry. I'm asking you to soil your hand for my sake.
It's okay. It's fine. I love you so much, Juka, and I can do anything for you. I mean, I can't wait for us to take her out so we can start our lives together again. Then the both of us together will kill my husband and take his money and we enjoy our lives.
I can't wait. I can't wait to be with you.
I know.
You know, we can do this weekend. I'm very sure she'll be at home this weekend.
Okay, that's fine.
Babe, can you just calm down? Relax. You're taking this thing too far.
Do you know I told my parents about what that guy said to me? But they want me to stay out of my sister's business. I had expected them to believe me and warn my sister.
Well, I am not surprised if they say that to you. Your sister must have called them before you got home. Probably asked them to warn you to stay clear from her affairs. And so, what else are you going to do? Babe, you need to forget about your sister and focus on yourself. I mean, on us.
Do you know that that guy looked me in the eyes? He looked me in the eyes and said, I am nothing. He looked me in the eyes and called me a loser. He was gloating in my presence.
But you don't have to blame him. Yes, don't blame him. Blame your sister who chose to be fooled by him. It's obvious there's nothing anyone can do to change things. Please, just let them be. Me, myself, I'm tired of all these stories, I beg.
Babe, you know what? I'm going to kill him. I'm going to kill that bastard.
No, babe. See, you're not gonna do that. Okay? You're not gonna do that. You know, you going that way is going extreme. And I won't support you either. Please, I don't want to lose you. Okay? Can you just calm down? You know I love you. Okay. Relax, let's go.
Baby, you know she'll be home this weekend.
Don't you think we should hire a gunman?
No. I want us to do it ourselves. I want it to be quiet and private. I want you to look into her eyes and tell her that it's you who's taking me from her. I will take the shot.
That sounds very beautiful to the hearing. So my love, after all this masters, all these things, I'll just take you to Bahamas and spoil you silly.
I can't wait. I just can't wait. I'm telling you. Meanwhile, thank you so much for coming to my rescue.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Anything for you. I love you more. Wow.
Good morning, darling.
Baby, good morning. How was your night?
Let's say my night was peaceful.
Oh, darn.
Sorry about that.
It's fine. Baby, you've never had a peaceful night in a long while.
As a matter of fact, I had a beautiful night.
I'm glad. I'm happy. Like...
So, tell me, what am I having for breakfast?
Breakfast?
Yes.
Yam porridge, your favorite, baby. Baby, you want breakfast?
Of course I want breakfast. Why don't you run into the kitchen and set the dining?
Yes,
don't keep me starving.
Baby, I won't keep you starving. Why? Baby.
Yes.
Baby, since you're happy, can we...
Don't worry. I promise you tonight, I'm going to eat you up like I used to.
Oh, baby, I can't wait. Oh, baby, I love you. Come here. I love you, baby. Oh, let me go.
Alright. Run along. I love you too.
Let me get your food.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Baby, you okay?
Of course, I'm fine.
Okay. Baby, remain fine, please.
Chike, getting her a car is not ideal. This is someone we are still investigating because we think she's cheating on you. So why get her a car?
James, you won't understand. I want her to know that I still love her very much. And I'm equal to the task. I can do whatever she needs. I can take care of her than any other man. Tell me, what else does she want in any man that I don't have? Look at me, am I not handsome enough? Just look at my pointed nose. Is it not good enough? What else does she want? Look at my color. It's glowing like something else. What else does she want? Tell me.
And you think she doesn't know all this? Huh? She knows. You wouldn't have gone to the extent of getting her a car. Yes. Anyway, it's still your property. You can confiscate the property anytime you like if you find out she's cheating on you. Yes.
What are you doing here?
Is that a proper way of welcoming your husband?
Rotimi, what are you doing here? Or should I get you a restraining order?
It has not come to that point. Honestly, I understand. I really cheated on you. It's my bad. I'm totally sorry. I just came in here to apologize.
So it took you a decade to admit what you've been doing for God knows why. Or should I point a finger at you? Is that it?
I understand. Babe, I started cheating on you immediately. I found out that you stopped allowing me to grace the woman in you, and you should understand.
And so you moved on to the next woman doing nonsense, right?
The reason I am here is for us to find a way to come together. For the sake of our children. Just find it in your heart. Look at it from the proper perspective.
It's already too late, my darling. I've moved on. Please do the same.
I understand. Please just find a way.
Can you stop bugging me? I have a meeting to attend to very importantly. And please, excuse me, you are obstructing my view. Excuse me! And please, lock my door behind you. Thank you.
She'll be at home now. It's the weekend.
Okay, so how do we do it? I can't wait to end that beach so you can be free.
I'm just going to go home now and wait for you to come. So when you come, we can do it together.
Alright, so do I need to come with any weapon whatsoever?
Don't worry, I have all the weapons you can think of. Alright? Just come and we can do this.
That means you can actually do it by yourself.
No, I need her to look you in the eyes and know that you're the woman who's going to take me from her while I slit her throat. Huh? Can you do that for me?
Yes, I can.
Alright. I'm waiting for you.
Alright then, see ya. Take care.
Alright. Go, go, go.
Nurse, nurse. Nurse, we get doing.
You're welcome, customer.
Thank you. I do, nurse. Nurse, my oga say make I buy.
Which one we say your oga to make you buy? Oga, if you cannot recall, why don't you go home and ask him what he asked you to buy?
Oh, my oga will come disappointed now. Why go come dey forget this kind thing by this time? I don waka from house, waka reach here. Now why I can't forget this thing?
Oga, I suggest you go home, verify and come back. Because anything I give to you now, you're not going to return it. You should know that.
Yeah. Oh, Cletus. Shey tomorrow night I go open mouth tell my children say the time when I been dey young, say I been carry first class. Hi, Cletus, you don shit for body. Hi. Oh yeah, na nurse, may I go house go verify eh?
No wahala, ngwanu.
Illiteracy thunder fire.
Honey,
How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you sure you're alright?
Yes, I just got a call that my mom isn't feeling fine.
Oh, let me call her right away.
No. Not my mom. My mom's sister, but I've called her, so she says she's getting better.
Oh, thank God.
Yes.
I called my travel agent to get us visa so we can spend the vacation in New York.
What did you say?
I want us to spend the vacation in New York.
This must be a joke because you've never, taken me to any of your trips before.
This is not a joke. This is real. I told you I love you so much, and I will do whatever you want. And this is the time for me to start showing you how much you mean to me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry for everything.
You don't have to. I'm your husband. I understand sometimes I like that.
I mean, I'm sorry for not taking care of you, being loving and all that.
It's all right now. I think now that you have realized your mistake, it's all good.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
So, is there anything in for me to eat there? Just get me a glass of water first.
Water?
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome, Oga. Damo, welcome, Oga. Did you get the answers that you get for me? Acid! Jesus! Acid! Ogami, you know say, I don't pack ants, I don't gather ants finish. Now acid now, I ain't gonna remain.
Cletus, I said antacid and not ants and acid.
Ogami, you know say, you no go to blame me, follow confuse me. Wetin concern ants, concern acid. Wetin acid won't ants get for where acid dey?
Hold on a minute. Are you telling me you did not buy the medicine I asked you to buy?
Ogami, no vex for me. You know say when I been this secondary school, then they call me Jet. I fit still rush now, go arrange am for you.
You're so useless. Can I have my money back?
I'm sorry, sir.
Hand me my money back.
I'm sorry, sir.
Good. Sorry for yourself.
I'm sorry, sir. Ogami, you know say as she dey try come back, e get one woman wey rush comot.
A woman?
Woman. E be like say na madam wey she find come.
That's all right. Thank you. Babe. Babe. Babe! 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 Babe, what's the meaning of this? Babe, look at me. Babe! Cletus! Babe! Cletus! Cletus, come, help me. What happened to her?
No.
What's going on? Babe,
Madam,
babe, help me.
Pick the call now.
I know she's calling me to return home.
That woman self, she wouldn't allow you to breathe. Even to allow us enjoy yourself. Today that was supposed to enjoy yourself.
You know I'm the last card of the house. But you see, in my next life, I won't be the last card again. I have seen hell in the hands of she and her husband.
Go and ask about us who is the first son. No? You see, you hear when? Babe, just take the call. It might be something important. Okay? Take the call.
I know she wants me to return home.
Listen to her first.
Okay. Hello, Mom. What?
Babe, what is it? What? Your sister. What happened to your sister?
My sister is dead.
Your sister is what?
Oh my God. Hey!
You killed my sister! You killed her! Mama, you should leave me alone! I'm sorry. Calm down. You pay for this! So can you with me? Mama, I've always told you. It's okay. He's evil. It's okay.
It's okay.
God, I've been a fool. A big fool. What was I thinking? Why didn't I say the signs? Oh, that ungrateful idiot has been lying to me the whole time. He's been cheating on me. Lucy, you allowed this boy mess up with you. He messed you up while I was planning a future for him. He's making out with the one he prefers. Why? Why? Have I not shown him kindness enough? Why? Why would you do this to me, Chuka? Why? Why, Chuka? Why?
I saw the signs. I warned Judith. I warned my sister. Mom, I told you. Dad, I told you, but you did not believe me. No good story has ever been told of a rich lady marrying a poor man. Now my sister is dead. All thanks to this gold digger.
Are you insinuating I have a hand in my wife's death?
You killed her! Don't even deny it!
Why would I want to kill my own wife? Why would I want to kill her? I am as devastated and confused as you are. I don't know what to make out of this. I don't know who I have offended or who she has offended that wants her dead. But I'll never wish death on my wife. Please. Stop this accusation. Stop. Please, I beg you. God.
Victoria, calm down. Calm down. Allow the police to do their job. And I can assure you that at the end of the day, the truth must come out. So calm down.
My daughter was so peaceful. She was a peaceful soul. She would never hurt a fly. Who could have done this to her? Who shattered my life in this way? I'm offended.
The person is right here with us. This evil man. After all my sister has done for him. I don't even know why the police are still keeping calm about him. They should take him into custody immediately.
Victoria, didn't you hear me? I said calm down. You please know what to do and then we do it. So what's all this? You're not hearing me.
I want to kill my wife. My own wife. Why?
He killed my sister. He killed her.
Babe, you can't be too sure. Can you just relax?
You saw the signs. We saw the signs. He never loved my sister genuinely.
Well, I believe police are on it.
The police? They keep lingering while he enjoys my sister's wealth. I will kill him.
No. You're not gonna do that. Remember, your parents' heart are already shattered. Eh? They're grieving. Or do you want to aggravate their suffering by getting yourself into trouble? Babe, can you just relax and allow the police to do their job? Yes.
I have told you.
Babe, can you just calm down? We need an evidence. A solid evidence at that. An evidence to nail him. So you just relax and allow the police do their job, please. Don't get yourself worked up over this thing, please. See, I brought you here so that we can just cool off, okay? Just relax, okay? I love you. Relax. Okay? Police will take care of it.
Based on information gathered on interrogation of your kidnapper, he said a lady ran out of the house the same day the incident happened. I'm having a feeling that it's the lady that caused it. So I want to ask, do you know if she has any issues with her colleague, a friend, or anybody around her?
None that I know of. She's a very private person. Yes, that's why I'm finding it difficult to understand, the reason someone would want to hurt her.
Did you have any argument with her lately? Or was there any fight from the member of her immediate family?
Apart from her younger sister who always calls me the gold digger, I don't have issues with her family.
Yeah. The lady that ran out of the house on the day of the incident, do you know her?
No, I don't know her.
How much do you know your wife's friends? Like, how much do you know them?
Well, like I said, my wife is a very private person. The only friend I know of is Tracy. Yes.
I've been trying to reach you. You got me worried. I heard what happened to you.
We shouldn't be seen together.
Okay, can we meet at our usual spot? I've missed you.
I said we shouldn't be seen together. Please, move your car.
Hi.
You shouldn't be here. So what the hell are you doing here with your big ass?
I heard what happened. But you know, I was here the last time, like we discussed. But I got in here and I was surprised to see your wife's corpse on the floor. Sugar, you would have told me that you were going to kill your wife before making me come here.
Hey, listen, I don't know what you're talking about. Alright? I came back home and I found my wife's corpse on the floor.
Excuse me? Are you saying you did not kill your wife?
What the hell are you talking about? Why in God's name will I kill my own wife?
So, you did. And for what reason exactly? Chuka, are you really okay?
I don't understand. Do I look sick to you? Huh? Listen, you need to leave this place now before the police get here. Because they're already on their way. Alright? So just get out.
But I just want to...
I said get out! Get your ass out of here. Get out! Are you still looking at me like that? Go! Big ass.
Judy was my best friend. God, I can't believe she's dead.
So sorry about your loss.
Thank you, officer.
Talking about your friendship with Judy. How close was it?
Judy's like my sister. We share jokes and secrets together.
I want to ask. You said she shares secrets with you, right? Did she possibly share any secret with you that could have led to her death?
No. The only discussions we had was family discussion. Nothing else. But there was a time she was suspecting her husband for infidelity. But it turns out to be lie.
What uncle do you think that made her believe that her husband was cheating on her?
I said it turned out to be a lie.
A certain lady was seen leaving her house on the day of the incident. Do you think she have another friend aside you?
No. Judy don't have a lot of friends. I'm the closest she had. If there was anyone seen in her house on that day, that person wasn't there for her.
Officers, he killed my sister. I am very sure. That bastard has once gloated before me on how he's been fooling my sister into thinking he shares something serious with her. He's responsible for her death. I can tell you this.
Mrs. Victoria, I understand how hurting it is for you to lose a loved one and how desperate you want to pin her death to her husband. But I'll advise that you allow the police to do the investigation so we don't have to make a mistake and pin the death to an innocent man.
He's not innocent. I can tell you this.
Calm down, okay? But you have to do one thing for us. You have to stop confronting your sister's husband. Else, we will get you arrested. Let the police do their job. We assure you, we'll find the person behind your sister's murder.
We have an information that there's a lady that came to the house the day your sister was murdered. We are trying to get the identity of the person with the help of the security man. So just calm down. I assure you that the culprits will be caught, okay?
A lady.
I've been dying for this for days. I don't think I can stay without you. I love you so much, baby.
I miss you too so much. I've just been careful because the police have got eyes on me. They're trying to know everybody I get to meet and who I talk to.
Okay. That my fat, ugly-looking husband is planning a vacation for us in the US. Maybe we'll just kill him and take his money away. Go to one country and relax.
No, I won't. I'll have to think about it first.
I thought you'd be happy about this.
You see, I'm still trying to get all my wife's assets. She had a lot of assets and I'm trying to lay my hands on them. Maybe afterwards we can travel.
Babes, my husband has money too. Once we kill him, we can just take all his money and go away.
I want my wife's money too. It's important to me. Don't you understand?
Honestly, I don't understand you. I don't.
Just try and understand. Once I'm through with this thing, we can proceed and put an end to that chimpanzee.
I heard you.
That man is a big baboon.
I know, he irritates me.
How do you guys even kiss?
I don't kiss him.
God.
I don't. I can't even kiss him. Come on.
Officers, what's going on?
Well, we came here to ask your security man some questions regarding the incident. But we're done and we're about going now.
I hope he's giving you people relevant information that will help.
Not really enough, but enough to kickstart the investigation.
Oh, I see.
So how are you holding up?
I'm fine. I'm coping. Yes, I'm trying to cope. I mean, I just lost my wife. I'm trying. Yeah?
It's fine. We'll get across if you get anything useful.
Bye. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you. My friend, come back here. What did you tell them?
Oga, not you know. I don't tell them anything. Then they ask me if I remember anything about that woman who been come here. You know, say she been in a hurry come out. So I don't remember anything about her face.
And what was the sketch they had for them there?
Oga, me now the little thing where I don't tell them anything because I need to see her face well.
Did you kill my wife?
No, Oga, me no. I don't kill him.
So be careful what you tell the police before you get yourself implicated.
Yes, sir.
Open the gate.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir, I've called my boss. He said he's coming. He's very close to me. It's okay. Sir,
okay.
do you care for anything?
No, thank
Like
you very
drink?
much. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
All right.
James,
Chike,
what is it that is important that you cannot wait?
Chike, it's about your wife.
My wife? What happened?
I have something to show you, and you're not going to like it.
What is it? Eh?
It's been over a month we last saw. And I see that you're avoiding me. Why?
You know we're not meant to be seen together.
Really?
Yeah.
But that doesn't apply to her, right?
What are you talking about?
You think I don't know?
I still don't get what you're talking about.
Quinette.
How did you get to...
You know, I've seen her message pop up on your phone some time ago. And then I've seen you guys together somewhere. I just stayed calm. Yeah?
Listen,
No. It's nothing. You should not even explain yourself. I understand totally. Okay, I'm not self-centered. I understand perfectly. I know that I'm married, right? So maybe it's fine. I'm not jealous. Yeah, I love you, and that's what matters. I still want you in my life. Please stop ignoring me. Okay?
I'm sorry.
It's nothing. It's fine.
Can I?
Please.
You know, I don't know why this case is so difficult to unfold. Whoever is behind this must be very smart and should live within.
How then can we unscramble the puzzle?
I don't trust that man. I don't trust her husband.
Same here. But we need a very strong evidence to nail him. Otherwise, we are eating the bricks with this investigation.
I wish you could put a face to the lady the security man said he saw.
We'll try our best. Who is that?
My elder brother. But I'm not gonna take the call. This dude is always all about my business. Like, when are you gonna get married? Who are you gonna get married to? I beg, I don't get time to do the call.
Alright. Talk to you later.
She's not taking her calls. In fact, I'm going there right away.
Calm down. Bro, calm down.
Stop telling me to calm down. Eh? Look at this ungrateful woman. You are telling me to calm down in this situation? In fact, I am going to deal with her in a way she will never imagine.
Calm down. Calm down, bro. Remember, you are not going to approach her with the pictures yet. Yes. What you need is to approach that guy and arrest him. Yes. Before you show her the pictures so that she'll know that you know what she's been doing behind your back. Yes.
You know, women are never to be trusted. Look at this ungrateful animal that came from a wretched home. I picked her from the gutter. Look at what she's doing right behind me. What have I not done for her? Tell me.
I've told you countless times. Calm down. Calm down, bro, before you develop high BP.
I pray to God to give me that strength so that I won't strangle her tonight. Because if I set my eyes on her, nothing will stop me from strangling her with my bare hands.
It has not gotten to that. It has not gotten to that. Calm down so that we get to the bottom of this. Eh?
Women are ungrateful element. See why I said women. Women. God created women to serve as a punishment to men. That is what I've seen. In fact, no woman will cross my path now. And I will not deal with her if she do such.
Honey, your food is ready.
No, I'm not hungry.
I don't understand.
I don't feel like eating.
Okay. Why?
I'm on fasting and prayers.
Since when?
Since today.
Okay. So you are not going to eat?
No.
You should have told me now so I don't waste my time preparing this delicious meal for you.
I'm sorry about that. I think it escaped my mind.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, thank you all for coming in such short notice. As you all know, it's been a month since I tragically lost my darling wife. May her soul rest in perfect peace. I have been devastated. We all are devastated. And we have been for too long. Death, they say, is inevitable. But of course, life has to go on for the living. So on that note, I have intimated my attorney to change ownership on all of my late wife's assets.
I just called you all to officially inform you about my move. Thank you.
So that's what you're after. I knew it. I knew it, but Judy was too daft to reason.
Victoria, don't speak about your late sister that way. And be careful the way you talk.
Mom, I'm sorry.
Chuka,
Fine.
I've heard you. But I'm not going to deny you the right you may have over my late daughter's possessions. But at this point, you have to allow the police complete their investigations on who killed my daughter.
So you and I know that the police are wasting too much time. And this investigation will amount to nothing. Of course, they have no lead on this. So it's a waste of our time.
How can they have a lead when you perfectly planned everything?
My friend, you have to stop this nonsense. You must stop this. Why would I want to kill my own wife? Stop this verbal bullying. I won't take it from you anymore.
Victoria. Chuka.
Son.
I understand your point perfectly. The police sometimes can be so lackadaisical in their method of doing things. But on this point, you have to allow the police complete their investigations. And when the investigation is completed and you are found clean, and nothing will stop us from proceeding with your request.
Maybe if they are able to arrest the suspect they already have, I'm sure the truth will come out. Because my daughter cannot just die in vain.
I know. She'll be brought into custody soonest.
Yes, I sent you $1 million. Yes, because he was saying that. Okay. No, we have to confirm if that is true. If it's not, then there's a problem. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I know. I'm sure. I saw the designs. I loved them. So I was sure you're going to love them too. Yes. Yes. No, I know, because I know what you like. What I like is what you like too, you know. So wait, can I call you back in 1 second, please?
Baby.
Yes, honey.
Come on. Guess what?
What?
I have a surprise for you.
Really?
I know you love surprise.
What is it?
Just wait. I'll be right back.
All right.
Now who be that? Who break my gate? Who you be? Who you dey find? Madam, no be you I dey follow talk. Who you be? I dey ask you question, you still dey knock. Who you be? See as you just waka pass me like say I be statue, like say I be mannequin. Where's your boss? Oga no dey around. Madam, who you be? Ha! You wanna see me see problem o? You bastard! What was the meaning of that video you sent to me?
Calm down. Just
Do,
calm down.
do not say that word to me. What is calm down? That video you sent to me can actually make them think I killed your wife. It can incriminate me.
But that's the idea I'm making of the video in the first place.
Chica, listen. You have to stop this. Please stop this. It's a joke. Stop it. What is the meaning of this? Hold on. Are you trying to set me up? Is that it?
Madam, listen carefully. I never planned on using that video, but right now, the police are so close to getting the person behind the murder. And I was shocked when I was told this by my wife's family. The police kept it away from me, which means I'm their suspect. So instead of taking the fall for Judy's mother, I figured it's best I rope you in.
You bastard! I will do this to you! I will!
I'll send you an account. When you're ready, you're paying 70 million now.
That's all I've got in my account! That's all I have in my account!
I already did my findings before speaking to you, so you will transfer all the money in your bank account to my account now. I'll send you the number.
Chuka, listen. Chuka, you know I love you, right? I love you, and I was like, I felt you. You have.
The police will get the video clip I just shared to you.
Fuck! Son of a bitch! Ah! Lucy!
I have been trying to call you to reach you, but you weren't picking your call. What's that?
But I will not lie to you. You know, these days, picking your call is tiring. Because every time I pick it, you're always reminding me of getting married, when am I getting married, and see, I'm sick and tired of that pressure, and that's why sometimes I skip your calls.
Far from that. I am very sorry for ever pressurizing you into getting married. Women indeed are quite complicated.
I don't get you.
I have learned my lesson not to rush into getting a bride.
Brother, wait, I don't understand what you're saying. This is the same you that has been pressuring me to get married. And even when I tell you that I'm just taking my time to get the right person, you're telling me time is not on my side. What has changed? What's happening to you?
My wife.
Your wife?
Yes. She has taught me that someone should not rush and get the best bride.
I don't get you. What happened?
I think my wife is cheating on me with this man here. Just take a look.
Cheating on you? This man looks familiar.
I was shocked when I saw it. A woman I love with my whole heart. A woman I can die for.
Wait. This man looks like somebody we're investigating. Let me call my colleague.
I want you to arrest this man. He needs to be arrested.
Hello? Are you still with that sketch we got from that gate man? Okay. You give it to me when I come to the office. I know this man.
I want that man arrested.
You know what? Send this picture to me in my WhatsApp. Send it to me right now.
I don't understand, Chuka. What's the meaning of the video you sent to me?
Well, that video is my ticket out of this whole mess.
What mess are you talking about?
Well, the police is about to find out what I did to my wife.
I still don't get it. What does the video of me walking out of your house get to do with me?
You see, the police do not have a lead on this case. So that video will put you in that position while I get my freedom.
Sugar, are you trying to set me up? I thought we shared something very deep.
Oh yes, we did. Not until I found out the police were about to deny me right to my wife's properties and money.
It is all about money, right? Chuka, I thought you loved me. Huh?
I'm sorry.
You are a bastard, Chuka! How dare you!
Well, you can do whatever you want to do. But I'm going to give you options. You get me 50 million naira, or you're going to rot in jail for the death of my wife.
50 million what? Chuka, where do I get that kind of money from? Where?
You have until 48 hours to figure that out. Until then, I'm a call away.
Go to my 72. What is going on? Chuka! Chuka! What is this?
Oh my God. What have I gotten myself into? Why did I make such a mistake? Oh, how foolish of me to think that I have a future with that bastard boy. Never knew he was going to give me up to be slaughtered without giving a damn. Oh, I know my husband would mock and laugh at me, even though he started cheating on me first. But I would just have left the marriage than indulging in any extramarital affairs just to get back at him. Now look at where it got me, in a total mess. I'd rather submit myself to the police than give that bastard boy my hard-earned money. Lucy.
Please ask your brother to remove this thing from my hand. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Please forgive me.
When you get to the police cell, you will explain more better to them. You are ungrateful bastard. In fact, you are a shameless thing. Shameful and disappointment to womanhood.
Hey, let me hear what? What are you feeling like, Seth? What are you feeling like? Look at you as if you gave me everything I wanted in life.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you.
Yes, I've not given you.
Tell
me. What have I not done for you?
Your third leg is very small.
Just that?
Yes, it's very important. It's important.
So that is why you go elsewhere to meet a gold digger.
Go
That poor idiot.
He's poor.
How much does he have?
He doesn't have money, but he doesn't have to make a woman feel like a woman. You don't know how to do it.
Really?
Yes.
But when you are taking my money, you are enjoying it. You don't know that it's smaller then. Now you are looking to sit on a long thing. You are looking for a way to sit on a long thing.
Why did you fix yourself?
I'm so disappointed.
In your next life, fix this thing and look for your side. Don't marry a beautiful woman like me. Marry a woman as ugly as you are. Nonsense.
Thank God you know I'm ugly. But you are eating my money.
Which money?
Okay.
I'm helping you.
Dubai today. London tomorrow.
I'm helping you.
America. So what else do you want? What else do you want? Tell me, Queen Knight.
Let me hear what job. What is it? What are you feeling like?
You don't want me to find your own work for you.
So you
to make me happy.
Short ugly man.
Come on, take this idiot away.
Who's that?
Take this fool away.
Nonsense. Hey, honey, I'm sorry.
I don't know anybody to a whore like you. When I came to marry you, your mother should have told me to sign a death warrant. That you want a long thing, I will have gotten one and fixed. But when you are collecting my money, when you are enjoying, baby, I love you. I love you. You don't know that it's smaller. Idiot. Annual here. Shameful idiot. Ungrateful bastard. You will rot in jail. Don't worry.
Letus! Letus! Open the gate. Over there! Come on, you're under arrest. Under arrest, mother.
Mother, how? I don't understand. Where? When?
I'm sure you must have a good explanation for this.
Explanation for all the police is about to find out what I did to my wife.
I still don't get it.
You did this to my daughter. You did this to my daughter. Judith loved you so much. She defied us just to be with you. She trusted you. She was ready to do anything just to make you happy. Yet, you took her life.
You think you are wicked, right? You have not seen wickedness. I will so deal with you in a way that you will regret the day you were born. I am not going to kill you. Because to kill you is to do you a favor. So I will not give you that privilege. But I will make sure that you suffer to your grave. I will make you a walking corpse.
The blood of my innocent daughter will continue to cry for vengeance till your last breath, you wicked soul, monster.
Now, move it.
Move.
Yeah. Fell in love for the first time. Setting my eyes on you. It feels so good to have finally found the place. You are so gorgeous. I can't resist my feelings. Oh, this is temptation. With a little confusion. Anytime I look, you are all I see. Anytime I think, you're stuck in my brain. Oh, I hope you're not faking it. Oh, I will give my all to you. Oh, what if it for you is real? I hope this will last forever. I finally fall in love with you. I'm not letting you go. Yes, I know. We are meant to be together. I know. We are meant